This is what we purchased for Madelyn Reese. Whoops. With the gift card from Uncle Chris and Christina. The Rainforest playmat gym thing. You got your rainforest sounds. You have your bewildered baby. It also plays music, but I don't know. I don't think it's time to change it just yet, because I think she's enjoying this too much. It lights up at the top there. I think that's what she might be looking at. The butterflies light up or something. Let's switch it to music too here. There we go. Just going. I was in the kitchen and I heard her talking to the animals, so I wanted to come and videotape it. Baby activated, but there we go.
Guess who's in the bumble?